Hey there, fellow green thumbs. Welcome back to the Knowledge Vault. If you've ever dreamed of turning your backyard, balcony, or even a windowsill into a vibrant garden, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of gardening and how you can grow your own little slice of nature, no matter where you live. Let's get growing. Gardening isn't just about plants, it's about connection. Studies show that spending time with plants can reduce stress, improve focus, and even boost your mood. There's something magical about nurturing a living thing and watching it thrive. And let's not forget the benefits for your physical health. Digging, planting, and weeding are great low-impact exercises. Plus, growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs means fresh, nutritious food right at your fingertips. The best part? Gardening is for everyone. Whether you have a sprawling yard, a compact balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, there's always a way to grow something beautiful. Nature doesn't discriminate, and neither should your gardening dreams. All right. Let's talk about getting started. First things first, pick the right spot. Most plants love sunlight, so choose a spot with at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you don't have a yard, no problem. Containers and vertical gardening are fantastic options for small spaces. Even hanging planters can work wonders. Remember to think creatively about your space. A sunny kitchen shelf or a balcony railing can transform into a green oasis with a little imagination. Next, choose your plants. Are you into fresh herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary? Or maybe you're dreaming of colorful blooms like marigolds, petunias, and sunflowers. If you're into veggies, easy starters include lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and radishes. Pro tip: always check what grows best in your climate and season before planting. For those in colder climates, indoor gardening kits are a fantastic way to grow year-round. Now, let's talk about soil and watering. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Look for soil that's rich, well-draining, and full of nutrients. You can even mix in some compost to supercharge your plants. When it comes to watering, the key is balance. Too much water can drown your plants, while too little can leave them thirsty. The goal? Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. A good rule of thumb is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Now that you've got the basics down, let's level up your garden game. Grouping plants by their needs can save time and energy. For example, basil thrives next to tomatoes because it helps deter pests. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants can help retain moisture, reduce weeds, and regulate soil temperature. And don't forget to prune regularly to keep your garden tidy and encourage healthy growth. Let's not forget about tools. Investing in a few basic gardening tools can make the process much easier. A good pair of gloves, a trowel, and a watering can are great starters. As you expand your garden, you might also want to add items like pruning shears or a gardening fork. And don't worry, most gardening tools are affordable and built to last. Tracking your progress can also be a fun way to stay motivated. Keep a gardening journal or take pictures of your plants as they grow. It's a great way to learn what works and what doesn't. And if something doesn't grow as planned, don't worry. Gardening is all about experimenting and learning as you go. Finally, let's talk about the impact of gardening on the environment. Every plant you grow helps reduce your carbon footprint. Trees and shrubs can provide shade, improve air quality, and even cool your home naturally. A garden supports local pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for our ecosystem. Composting kitchen scraps and reducing waste are also great ways to contribute to a healthier planet. And let's not forget the joy of sharing. A homegrown tomato or a bunch of fresh flowers makes a heartfelt gift for neighbors and friends. Another way to get involved is by joining a local gardening community. These groups often share tips, seeds, and encouragement. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends who share your passion for plants. If you're looking for inspiration, visit a local botanical garden or take a walk around your neighborhood to see what others are growing. And there you have it, the basics of gardening, and a little extra to get you inspired. Remember, every plant you grow is a step toward creating a greener and more beautiful world. So, grab some soil, pick up some seeds, and let's get planting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Vault for more tips on gardening and beyond. Let us know in the comments what you're excited to grow. Happy gardening, and see you next time.